I'm Margaret Gold. I'm one of the organizers and co-founders of Over the Air, also known as Mobile Maggie, which is my Twitter handle. Been in the mobile space for years, and I really love collaboration and innovation, which is why this is such a fantastic event to be part of making happen. Super excited about everybody that's here today. One of my main roles is putting together the Hack Day side of the event. The event's a mix of a number of different unconference elements, including technology workshops, but the Hack Day is definitely at the center of it.
My name is Jean Valentine, and it's the same as the saint, but it doesn't apply to me really. And I worked here during the war. I was what was called a bomb operator. Alan Turing was a brilliant man, and he invented the bomb, but he also invented other things in the computer world. And particularly after the war, he went to Manchester and invented the Manchester Baby, which was one of the first computers. He didn't have a very long life, but the life that he had was very, very productive and very, very useful to the computer industry. Because had it not been for him and the likes of him, well, the computer industry obviously would exist now, but not as quickly as it has done, because Bletchley Park really was the foundation of it. It was done here.
My name is Toby Bradshaw. I'm from Marmalade, based in West London. We're here to give a talk this morning, deliver a talk on what it is Marmalade does, the problems that we solve, and basically to chat with some of our developers and hear their problems. And you can look forward to very much improved threading support, which is going to be very important coming through, especially this year. You're starting to see dual core and quad core being the standard, so having a good threading model is very important for the guys that really want to squeeze the last bit of juice out of these devices. Obviously, I just mentioned HTML5. That's a really big feature. We also have the native UI toolkit, which is a way for a Marmalade developer in a cross-platform way to actually manipulate the native user interface of the device. So these are all quite big features that we're looking at, quite exciting, certainly from my point of view.
What I'm creating is actually a service for communicating between mobiles, which is encrypted mobile to mobile, as it were. So you can't intercept the message and decode it halfway through. The challenge I'm doing is actually government-oriented, although it could be used for many reasons, obviously.
So my name's Dan Murphy. I'm here for the Over the Air event because I love to come and see what people are up to with doing things with APIs and also what technologies are out there, learn some new skills and connect with developers.
Yes, I'm Tim Haysom. I've come along, I think this is my fourth Over the Air, so it's fantastic to be here at Bletchley Park, which is a great location to have things. I've been learning how to program for Android over the last sort of month or so I'm a complete beginner and really trying to integrate some of the things I've been doing on my Android app with the Facebook Open Graph.
Hi, I'm Neil from Whiteback Games. I'm a game developer. We make lots of games for all sorts of platforms. We just released a game called Hidden Anthologies Pride and Prejudice across iPhone and PC and Mac, possibly others in the future. I had no idea that Marmalade were going to be here. I just came for my own interest, but I'm glad I've met them because I think it's a very interesting technology and very popular for lots of other developers, and I may well be using it in the future.
I'm Luca, I'm part of the developer relations team RIM BlackBerry. We are here over the year because we want to reach out to all the good developers. We know there are a lot of good ones here, especially young ones, and we really want to show off what the platform can do. Last night, in fact, we have shown how the DJ application works on a playbook, and everyone was really excited about that. Even the DJ was playing around a bit with it. So the platform can do a lot, and we encourage everyone to have a look and try it out.
My name's Moira Morrison. I'm doing a business startup. The company name is Moi, with an exclamation mark at the end of it. And this is my first time at this event. I've heard it's the 5th time that it's been run, but I've just found out about it this year, and I'm very pleased to be a part of it. It's been excellent. So yeah, I've got a solution which involves mobile phone app, and it's a huge market out there with different platforms, and it's very difficult to find out how best to approach it. At the moment, there's word is that the actual app stores are really slow and cumbersome, and it can take quite a long time to get a product to market, whereas Marmalade sounded, from the documentation I saw last night, to be exactly the sort of a product you could use to develop across marketplaces and allow your app to go down on a variety of different platforms without too much effort.
I'm Claire and I'm here from Sequence. We're a Cardiff-based digital agency and we came down to Over the Air a couple of days ago. I was here last year running Ignite Bletchley Park, and I thought it was such a great event that I thought this year I'd come back with a load of my colleagues who are kind of busy coding away in the background behind me. We've just found it really a great experience. There's not many events like this that give us the opportunity to really get involved and have a play and learn through interesting talks, and also have a chance to really get our hands dirty and play with something. We're busy working on a suite of apps. It's a sort of a drinks social media kind of able to report what you've been drinking, and I think aside from the jokey nature of the app that we put together, it's given us a really good opportunity to create native Android app, play with Facebook and Open Graph. We're working with Windows Phone platforms, and being able to have assistance from like the official Facebook guys and just having loads of people around us that we can ask questions to and have support has just been a really great experience for us, and I'm sure has taught us loads of skills that we'll be able to take back and implement in our other projects.
Obviously it's pretty cool to be at Bletchley Park, kind of where it all began. You know, we're a British software engineering company, succeeding globally, building a tool that's being used by some of the biggest companies in the world to take their content out to market. We're also kind of a bit of a best kept secret by some of the very large developers. They don't want to make too much noise about the fact that they use our tech. But the exciting thing is being able to get it in front of developers and explain kind of what they can do with Marmalade. Also explain some of the other relationships that sit behind our technology, you know, one of which clearly is with ARM, because the way we can do what we do, which is very much to do with enabling developers to build highest performance applications, relates to the fact that we're enabling developers to write down to the ARM CPU. So we've got a kind of British tools story relating to the British CPU story. So all that, the connections are kind of nice, so it's great, very, very good to be here.